Hi friends, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to use some Docker commands to create, start, stop Docker containers. So let's begin. So first, we should have a lab environment. And you can see from my screen, I have a running Docker host on Amazon, which is created by Docker Machine. I will use this Docker host for today's demo. Okay, let's SSH into that Docker host. And the first command we will learn today is docker run. Docker run will create a new Docker container and start that container, run a command in that container. For example, if you use docker run to start a Ubuntu container, version is 14.04. And that will create a new container and start that container. So how to check the created container? We can use docker ps command to check the running container, but here we can't see any containers. The reason is after run the bin bash command, the container is exited. So how to keep the container running? The first method is we can use interactive mode. So we can use help command, and you can see here are some options. -I, which means interactive, that will keep std in open even if not attached. Another one is -t, which will allocate pseudo tty. So let's have a try. We will create a new container. -I, -t, and Ubuntu. Yes, you can see now we are actually within the container, and we can run a command in that container. And if we open another terminal, SSH into that container, and check the running container with docker ps. Now you can see here here is a running container. Its status is up. Let's go back to the container. So if we type exit 13, and that command will exit it from the container. So let's run command docker ps-a, and you can see here the container is exited with the code 13. Okay, so this is the first way to keep a container running. Is interactive mode. Another way to keep a container running is start a container in background. But please pay attention. If you want to keep the container running all the time, you must run a command. For example, you can run some shell command, or you can run some program in the background. So, for example, let's start another container, and we will run in background, so we use -d, and the image is Ubuntu, and here we will run some shell command. Let's oh, sorry, it should be bin bash. Okay, you can see here we just create a new container, and Docker PS, we can see this running container is up. So how can we stop this container? We can use Docker stop and followed by the container ID. And we can see now the container is exited. Okay, so now we have some containers, and their status are exited. So how about if we want to delete a container which status is exited? We can use docker rm command followed by the container ID. For example, if we want to remove the container with this ID, and now if we run docker ps-a again, and yes, you can see the container is disappeared. So how about if we want to delete more than one container each time? We can use a filter to do that. For example, if we want to list all the container whose status is exited, we can use a filter and status equals exited. Okay, and another issue is, how about if we just want the container ID? Okay, we can add another option is -q. Okay, now we only get all the container ID whose status is exited. And now if we want to delete all these three containers by one command, we can use this command. So docker rm. Yes, let's check this. It works. You can see from here, these are the names for the containers, and it is generated by the Docker program. And if you want to start a container with a given name, you can use you can use the name option. For example, docker run and name test1 and Ubuntu. Okay, let's check this. Yes, you will see here is a new container, and the name is test1. So if you want to name the container, you can use this option. Okay, this is a Docker container. I hope you can practice all this command by yourself after class. So, see you next time.